we're going to install Gradle very quickly. So the first thing we need to do is go get the distribution. I'm going to make a directory called development where I'm going to put stuff. And it's already there, so let's go there. You can see the directory is empty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find this guy. So if you go to gradle.org, let's just go to gradle.org. Here it is, gradle.org, and there should be a nice friendly download link. And it doesn't make it nice. So let's go to install. Let's find the downloads. Here we go. And we want the binary only. Notice it's going to start downloading, but you would do this if you're doing the bin. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and I'm going to copy this direct link right here. Copy link address. And then I'm going to go over to my terminal. I'm going to do wget that guy. And now we have a Gradle. There's Gradle. And we can do a unzip-l, which is just going to list what's in there and make sure we got the right thing. And sure enough, yep, we got Gradle 8.4, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So now what we have to do is install it someplace. So let's decide that we're going to put this in. So let's create a directory. Let's call this opt. And I'm going to actually install Gradle in here, right? Now remember, Gradle is the Gradle distro is one directory above us. So I'm going to do a unzip /Gradle, just like that. And it should unzip it into this current directory. There it is. So now if I ls, I should have a directory called Gradle 8-4. And if I go into Gradle 8-4, you should see all the stuff in here. And there it is. There's the bin. That's probably the most important part. The lib is important, but you want the bin. So to get Gradle to work, you need to get this bin into a place where Linux can find it. So the way you typically do that is you go to your home directory, which is the tilde, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to edit our profile, our .profile. So do we have one? Do we have a profile? We do have a profile. So let's do vi.profile. And let's just add some goodies to our profile. So let's do, let's see, add Gradle to our system. All right, so let's export Gradle home is equal to tilde / development / Gradle -8.4, I think it was 8.4. And then we're going to export our path, and we're going to add it to the end of our path. $Gradle home /bin. And that should do it. I keep using LL because I have it aliased. I like to use LL. So LL development opt, and it was Gradle -8.4. So let's source my profile. So let's see if Gradle home is found. It is. So if I do a which on Gradle, it certainly finds it in bin. So now that I've done this, let's where are we? Okay, we're in home. So let's see development, and let's make a directory called projects. And let's make a directory called project 1. And let's see if Gradle works. Gradle init. And here it goes. The daemon fires up. We want an application. We want Java. Default. We definitely want Groovy. Default. 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 And default. And there we go. Look at that. We now have our project. So I now can run Gradle W. And I can do run. And I should get hello world. Now notice what you're seeing here is the fact that the Gradle W wrapper actually goes and downloads Gradle. The Gradle that you use to build this project, it goes and downloads that Gradle. That's what this is doing. It's downloading Gradle. And it sets it up so that now your project uses that same version that you used. And it all works. And I can do Gradle W test. And it all works. Let's not forget to clean up. So let's go up 1, 2, up into development, and see that original Gradle zip guy. Let's get rid of this. We don't need him around anymore. Get rid of that garbage. All right. And there we have it.
Maverick Supersonic, I'll be there in 30 seconds.